Hello. So now we're gonna be doing what's the name of this? Uh, Strings introduction, right? So this one's pretty easy to do. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna find the sum of string A and string B, all right? And that's what we're gonna do, and then we're gonna add it. All right. So let's do that. It's not too hard to do, and we're gonna do A dot length. So A dot length, and that finds the length of A, and then B dot length finds length of B. And then what else we're gonna be doing? Now we have to see if A is larger than B. So which one comes first in the dictionary, right? And what do we have to print? Okay. So, alright. So we have to print no or yes, depending if A comes first in the dictionary. So to do that, we're gonna have to use, we're gonna need the print line, right? But we're gonna have to use compared to here. So if A compared to, I think this is how you write it. I don't really remember too much. So the compared to method is gonna return an integer, right? So if it returns a positive integer, that means that A comes first, if I remember correctly. If it returns a negative integer, that means that it's a in terms of alphabetical order, it comes before B. Alright, so then here we're gonna print yes. I could be wrong on that, and if I am wrong on it, then it's the other way around. Alright. Alright, and what's the last thing we gotta do? We gotta capitalize the first letter of A and B. Can I do that in one go? I'm gonna see if I can do this in like one print line. So it's gonna be A dot substring, and then right here we're gonna put 0, 1. So this is gonna get the first letter, and then we're gonna do 2 uppercase, and that's gonna uppercase it. Alright, and then we're gonna concatenate that with the rest of the substring. What I mean by that is the rest of the body, right? So you just put 1. Can I make this wider? Yeah. So I made it a little bit wider. I don't think you guys can see it though, so actually I'm just gonna do this. Okay, that might work a little bit better. Alright, so let's do the same thing with B now. Oh, and now we have to combine the two, right? Okay, so it's gonna be a little bit longer than I expected. So then I'm just gonna put a plus sign here, and then I'm gonna copy this. Alright, just gonna format this a little bit so it looks a little bit nicer. Alright, so the first line right here, this line is gonna give me the string that I want, an uppercase first letter, and then the rest of the body would, if I'm correct, I could be having this wrong actually, but we're gonna run it and see what happens here. So we have an error here. If A compared to, oh yeah, so again, like I said, it returns an integer. So if it's greater than 0, that's what we're gonna do. So if it's greater than 0, that means A comes first. Otherwise, B comes first. So what was the issue here? Output is missing a space. You see that? Right, so that's what's missing. So that's not too hard to fix. So you just do that, and this should run, and then we should be good. Yep. Now we're gonna submit this. All right. So there you go. If you have any questions or comments, concerns, leave in the comment section or shoot me an email. Usually I reply to emails quicker than comments though. So my email is gonna be in the description.